Um, okay, I'll cut it, don't worry. This drill is called the dragback. So essentially this is a ball retention skill. It's used on 1v1 situations similar to outside-inside, except it lets you protect the ball and shelter it so you can move on. So essentially there's 2 steps to the dragback. You'll be dragging it backwards, as the name implies, with the sole of your foot. Right around here where that pivoting joint is. So right around here, this is where you'll be dragging it. So you're going to be starting with the middle of the ball, right in the center. So you have better management with the ball. You're going to want to drag it towards you, and you're going to let the ball drag until it goes past your heel, about 1.5 feet past your heel. That will give you ease. That will give you enough room to perform the next move right. So I'll do that one more time for you. This is the first step for the drag back. It's the actual drag back. So you're going to be dragging it back, letting it come 1.5 feet behind you. Notice that it's behind me and I can still see the ball. And now that I push the ball backwards, I am leaning forward so that I can see it and perform the next step. So now that you've accomplished this step, there's only one step left. You're going to want to hit the ball with the inside of your Nike sign and complete the drill. So yeah, that was a bit fast and complicated, but don't worry, I'll break it down. So say we get the first step right, easy, right? In this position right here, we're going to be targeting the ball with the Nike sign similar to box, between our pivoting toe joint and our heel, right there. So once it's 1.5 feet away from me, after I complete the first step, I move on to the second step. I hit it with that part right in the center of the ball. I hit it and I let it come towards me. So now it's right here. So I'll break it down one more time for you. So the first step is the drag back. Wait till it comes 1.5 feet. Then you hit it with the inside, and that's the drag back. So essentially, you're making a V shape, except you're keeping it. So you make the V, and you make the V. If you can see this V around me, right there, making a V like that. So I'll do it a couple times for you so you can get the grip of it. First step, second step, catch. There you go. First step, drag back, wait 1.5 feet. Second step, catch it, and there you go. It's these 2 simple steps that will make this complicated move feel a lot easier. Drag it back, catch it. A lot of times you're gonna have to rotate it. You want the ball to come in front of you at the end of the move. A lot of times, if you don't drag it enough, you're not going to be able to accomplish that. So like I said, drag, cushion it, bring it around, and it'll come to the front. And that's it for the drag back.